Got 2 teams going tree. I don't.
Matt, break off.
There could be 1 staging team. Oh, I'm dead.
From above?
Yep.
We can just hold up in here if we need to.
Playing with fences. The fence is complete. That's a bumpy fence.
I don't know where they went.
I think we can leave now, unless we need to stay and craft.
Well,
Oh, they're right there. Blue. Do we want to get inside?
Let us regroup here. Just topping off their shields.
yeah. God, I hate holding these, but I mean,
We can go, like,
there's not much better. On baby.
team
Come
on
on,
the ramp
pull.
is shooting ramps. Or shooting someone.
There's somebody up here on this rock shooting into
Alright, boys.
cave.
We got a bad rotate here.
There's 2 teams behind us at least.
Yeah, do we want to go this way now?
We can try, yeah. I mean, that team was in the center.
Yeah, I have there's a Moby.
I picked it up.
I have a balloon if we just like have to. Oh, they're right there.
1 minute. Rings close by.
Up there. Yeah, where the balloon can go. Like, the balloon has to go where I'm standing right now.
I can put one right.
Here, they're taking a balloon. They're taking a balloon. We could shoot it out.
Oh, I think we let them. I think we
Okay,
followed
okay.
up.
I'm
Yep.
gonna- Crack the middle one.
Hold on.
Go, 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 go. They're fighting. Go. I may have to catwall immediately.
That's fine, that's fine.
Go down here, down here.
Just catwall and
Right here.
I'll gen.
Got the kill.
Nice. I screwed up. I'm like way
Not being
back.
shot at right now.
Catwall.
That's terrible. I know.
You're fine. Just stabilize. There's a team in
There's a team
there?
in here.
Yes, yeah.
They're in, Matt. So
Playing fences. Fence them in. Fence placed. We're already in the next ring. Planting fences.
you may want to put some on top.
Okay. I can do
Team
that.
to the right here.
I'm shooting.
We're pretty safe right here.
Fence in position.
Yes, we are. Let's just focus on the backside.
Crap.
What? Oh, my cue.
Yeah, but it just shoots it. Fuck.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do it like wider. Put them on their stairs outside their door.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't now.
Okay, that's fine. Just whenever you can. That's where we should put them.
Fence deployed. If the fence gets crossed, we'll know. Taking fire. Setting a fence.
They're under the stairs.
Charging my shields.
Hit the horizon 70. They shot my gen. I'm on,
Hey boys, back.
above us, or to our top right.
Just topping off their shields.
Yeah, play over
Yep.
there. Yeah, perfect. I'm playing right here.
Allons-y.
Team on the bridge is kind of looking at you. Pushing up right side. Push up right side. Cracked one. They walled. Perfect.
It's fine, that's fine. I'm taking a little bit of height.
I have no cells left. Anybody have cells?
I can drop some.
Matt gave me some. Matt gave me one.
Got one. Got two.
I got an assist.
I got two.
Last one down.
This team is still in the building. The team that pushed died.
I got an extra purple here.
Over there. I got 72 on my ult.
73 for me.
We got one on this rock right here. 70 on bang. I got catwalk. They're
Yep.
trying to take our right.
Okay.
Just hug the wall.
This
Hug the
team
wall.
is
Hug the
climbing
wall.
up right here, Oliver.
Yeah.
Just topping up
There's still somebody over here.
Yes.
Heard somebody.
The team over there is on the right. How far till your ult?
91. We're in a bad. Yeah, boys, I'm just pinched. I can't do anything.
No, you're good. You're good.
It's alright. Right here, full team.
Just get out, Matt. Just rat.
Survive. Alright, good.
It's okay.
Top 5.
I mean, we
Top
got
5 with
five.
kills. You can go alright.
Should we all land center?
Are they coming with us?
No.
No. I think we're good. Hey, be careful. LOS that team.
The circuit is complete.
Oh,
Hello?
I think it's from
yeah, it's from top epic.
yeah.
Where's the best place? Find places to play and ping them. Oh, it's not there.
Still shooting me.
I know right here's safe.
I mean, we could play in this. Maybe not really, because of Epi.
Fence placed. Anyone passes through here, we'll know. Fence deployed.
We could play the train down below. We could play.
On us. I got a wall. Have to or I may die.
Oh, in.
Yeah, they're on the bridge,
Okay,
We didn't get out probably.
that's fine. Yep, they're dead there. They're there. They're pushing.
I'm
They're
hitting this.
pushing.
I feel like it's one of the good teams.
Yes, it's Catalyst Horizon.
Might be dig.
Yeah, they're on streamer mode. We could play under.
One guy go in front of command.
We should be good. We're definitely good.
Okay, we either.
Want me
God.
to smoke them?
Is anybody in this close cascade building?
I don't know. Haven't been paying attention.
We may have to rotate. I don't know.
Yeah, there's shots coming from there right now.
We're probably. Is there a balloon in here? If
I don't have a balloon. I mean, we can look to fight this team. They're pushing up.
points. Okay.
I ulted. It's my ult.
I can't see nothing.
No, you're fine. It's probably too early. They're under right here. One's blue.
68 on one.
They're
Matt, we
ballooning.
need you.
They're-
Matt, we need you. Matt, we need you.
They're leaving. They're ballooning.
Do we take it?
I cracked one.
I may take this.
That's fine. I think we take it. Matt, are you here?
Yep.
Just land on them. Or land close. Third them if they fight.
Get in this building.
Yes.
Here.
I'm in.
Fucking A, dude, I hit the wall.
Stay in here.
Yes.
He was pushing up, they walled to you guys.
Okay.
Get in here. Get in here.
I'm in.
Got a wall behind you too.
Okay.
I need to take a sail.
They're playing right there.
Danger close.
They blew my door off.
Okay. You want to reset that wall so it's... We got an alternator over here now. Team over there on height.
Can we get to the middle roof anyway? From here?
I don't have a way.
God, we need over there bad. Like, can you hit this zip and jump?
I don't think so. I think we can just land behind this team that's below us and fight them if we need to.
They may be crossing. Down here, down here. Oh,
Yeah, careful, careful. This team is still here.
you have smokes? Please tell me you have smokes.
I have 2 smokes. I have 2 smokes.
Okay.
I think we just...
Probably need them to cross here.
Okay. You want to go
Maybe
play roof or what?
I think left side of the building we can climb up if we can get it.
Okay, okay, okay. Just wait. I'm safe right here.
There's a guy up there. They're on roof.
Did we take that? The last one's weak. Last one's weak.
Do we take the queue?
No, 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 no. I think we play down low. Play down low. Play in this corner. Play in this corner.
Where are you at? Where are you at?
I'm here. I'm here. I smoked. I smoked. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Just play this corner. Play this corner.
I had a guy one shot on the outside of the wall.
Yeah, I tried to get him. They're rotating up. Free shots, free shots, free shots right here.
I'm here.
It's a solo. It's a solo behind that wall.
61. Do we need to claim the corner in front?
I think we just wait. Oh, right there, right there. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I have no. I'm out of shields completely.
Okay, here. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Let me take this. I'll drop. Maybe we play outside left here.
I think we can play under. We just have to walk in slowly until this like team can't, I guess, jump behind us.
Solo on the outside left, I think.
Cracked, cracked, cracked. Oh my god, I'm out of shields again. What? There's a wall. There's a hole right there.
Smoke them up there for sure.
Yes, 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 I can do that. Look on the hole, look on the hole. Watch out, watch out of the hole. Watch at the hole. I smoked him, I smoked him. Let's go directly right and then under to that area, okay?
Over there?
Yes, yes, yes. Go to the corner now.
Shoot it.
Yep. I'm ulting, I'm ulting, I'm ulting.
Full strike.
Yeah, I'm down, I'm down, I'm down.
I'm dead. It's alright. It's alright.
I got a knock, but we died before we got the kill.
They're above us. They're above. Oh, no, that's command. Yeah, I don't think anybody went up there. So, like, if it pulls that way, we may be set.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and drop,
Go,
I think.
go, 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 go.
45 seconds. Ring ain't far.
Right, I have to smoke them again.
Okay.
They're looking. I'm...
Giving him the chimney. Taking a knee. Patching up.
Hey, team top cannon. They smoked me.
Yep, I'm mine.
We can get to armory at least, maybe?
Okay. I mean, we can play right here where Matt is.
I know, it's just, I don't think it's going to pull here.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Let's go to the armory then. We're going to the armory, Matt.
Like, I don't want to be stuck late trying to cross.
Maybe you can't see you, but you could see me.
No, he's pushing up. He's pushing up a little bit, Matt.
Stay focused.
All right, boys, I'm in over here. I'm in over here.
Okay, okay.
We have to get inside the ring.
Matt, yeah, either get on height or get around the edge. They're gonna try and push, I think. I cannot see it.
Oh, they're gonna hold high. I mean, are you talking about the left team?
There's a guy right there. Or, right there. He has purple. I think it might be a solo. Okay, I'll come to you after this ring closes. I'm just making sure no one pushes our left over here.
Heard a zip.
That was me. Sorry. Just trying to reload.
Just call out who you're shooting.
I'm way over here.
here.
Distance,
Yeah.
distance.
Just, we need to be shooting together. Ooh,
This is not a good spot. We got, yeah, play down.
I'm dropping.
One sec. Using fire.
Drop, drop, drop.
Where are you over?
Recharging my shield.
I'm just solo holding this because I can kind of do it. I don't know if we can play more than one up here.
That's fine, that's fine. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Do we have a Lobo ult?
Yes. Right here.
Okay, they know all three fell. We may be fucked if they come and push us.
I think we do need one to hold high 8.
Remember who hooked you up? I've got your back.
Do you want me to hold height so I can smoke them?
You can. I don't care.
Not looking right now.
Move in the chimney.
Is it better to hold this?
I gotta drop.
Double timing it.
Yep.
Give my shields a recharge.
Yeah, we might. I mean,
You
we
coming
might.
this way?
Heal, heal, Matt.
Yeah.
Just call out, bang if you need a smoke. They're on.
They're right
They're
here on the
above.
other side.
They're shot out your wall above. They have a digi. They have a digi.
On me, on me, on me, on me!
Ulting, ulting, ulting.
Fucking destroyed.